I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A stalling cold front continues the widespread in temperatures from northeast to southwest tomorrow. Cold air pushing farther south and west drops those highs tomorrow to the upper 20s to the mid 30s in most locations, in the upper 30s to the 40s over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. Friday, the coldest day with most highs in the upper 20s to the 30s. Snow, rain, and a freezing mix are possible across the central and east Friday afternoon and evening as low pressure quickly lifts to the northeast. Snow accumulations of less than an inch are currently expected in central and eastern Nebraska. A building ridge of high pressure warms our highs to mostly the 50s by Sunday and Monday. Tuesday, the highs cool slightly to mostly the 40s. Precipitation chances early next week stay to our east. The weather is looking mild as we get closer to Christmas. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Monday through Christmas Eve day likely to be warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation starts out at near normal levels the early to middle part of next week before a trend of slightly below normal precipitation late next week through Christmas Eve day. Key weather factors driving the markets include very cold air briefly moving through the U.S. while most areas are warmer than normal. In Argentina, only expecting patchy rain. Flooding rain remains a threat today in the eastern U.S., especially from western New York into northern New England, where melting snow adds to the runoff. As cold air mixes in, there's a change to snow this late day or tonight, mostly from the central Appalachians into the northeast. Lake effect snow across the upper Great Lakes becomes heavy and persists through tomorrow. Sub-zero temperatures are expected tomorrow morning as far south as northern Iowa. The cold spell in the Midwest and East is short-lived, with above normal temperatures returning by the end of the week. Friday and Saturday, Midwestern rain and snow accompany the transition to milder weather. The first in a long series of Pacific storms arrives along the west coast tomorrow, with the second storm arriving for Friday and Saturday. Due to the warmer temperatures, precipitation next week across the Midwest and East falls mostly as rain. Mississippi River water levels are getting a brief bump from the recent rain, but much more is needed. Precipitation increases this weekend and next week, but it's uncertain if it will benefit the Mississippi. In Argentina, scattered rain tonight through Friday favors the west and north, while key corn and soybean areas of the central and south stay dry. Drought that's currently spotty in Argentina could expand with the pattern of only scattered rain. In the Black Sea region, scattered rain is expected in the next few days and next week with wheat in dormancy. With the Black Sea region being dry since earlier this year, a significant boost in soil moisture is needed when wheat breaks dormancy. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.